Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really fun collection to share with you. Butter London recently teamed up with Barbie to release a limited edition collection that features a trio of polishes in their Patent Shine 10X nail lacquer line. These polishes are all vegan, cruelty-free, and tan-free, and this collection features 2 Barbie-inspired cream polishes and 1 glitter polish. I'll leave a link down below in the description to the Butter London website, but anyways, let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. So the first polish in this collection is called Icon, which is a Barbie pink cream polish. This Barbie pink is like a blue toned pink and it applied perfectly in 2 coats. And here are 2 coats of Icon. The second polish in this collection is called CEO, and it's a rich and bold cherry red cream polish. The formula on this was so amazing. It was super creamy and easy to apply, and it was a true 1-coater polish. I did throw on a second coat just to clean up the polish around my cuticle line, but this truly was a 1-coater polish. So here are 2 coats of CEO. And the final polish in this collection is called 24 Karat, which is a super fun gold flaky glitter polish. This polish has some various sizes of gold glitter flakies all suspended in a clear base, and it's meant to add a super fun and unique look on top of other polishes, so here I'm applying it over CEO. The glitter flakies do give it a little bit of a textured finish, so I'm going to finish it off and smooth it all out with 1 coat of Butter London's Hardware Shine UV Top Coat. So here's 1 coat of 24 Karat over CEO. So those are the swatches of the 3 polishes from the Butter London collaboration with Barbie. Formula-wise, I think CEO was spot on and it was everything that I could have asked for from a cream polish, but I think the glitter polish was the most fun and unique, so I think 24 Karat would be my favorite from the collection, but let me know which one is your favorite by leaving me a comment down below. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And if you want to see some of my other Butter London videos, you can click your screen or the links in the description box below. But anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!